Alright, this is 3131 West Fielder Street, and I've got the camera in the clean out by the front door, and we're actually looking up where that toilet was near the laundry. So we're looking straight up there, and this pipe was just filled with a whole bunch of cast iron scale, cast iron debris. So we've got it nice and round again. Just past this fitting, that's a 90-degree fitting, there was some real bad channeling right through here. So you can see the bottom of the pipe is a little bit thin here, but it looks a heck of a lot better than when we started. That from the right there, that comes from the other kitchen and the other bathroom. We removed some, looked like linoleum flooring that was down in there. But you can see everything is cleaned out, no debris, nice and round. Looks a whole heck of a lot better than it did when we first got here. We're going to go the other way now through the clean out and check the city pipe to the main. We got some debris in here, so we'll flush that out past that corner. I just want to make sure all this has been changed to PVC. There's our drop to the city tap. So all that's PVC, which is good news. A little debris there. Let's work on flushing that out. There it goes. Main's flowing really good now. We'll run it all the way to the tap, make sure everything's dropping into the tap nice. Put our drop. Perfect. So it has all been replaced from the clean out to the city main with PVC, which is great news. You can see it. I've got a ton of water going in there right now, and it's just flying through there. See, the camera's kind of underwater right now and it's just flying through there. And we're back out at the clean out. So everything under the house is cleaned and descaled. Looks a heck of a lot better. And the main is all PVC from the clean out to the city tap. Thanks for watching.